Got my bitch a Louis bag now, she can brag now. Alright, pocket watching time, baby. Pocket watching time, nigga. Pocket watching time. We didn't figure out who we're pocket watching today, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, I do have some ideas, but I want to know who do y'all think? I got a few people in mind. I want to know if you guys agree or no. Okay, DDG and Valkyrie, they're gonna be tougher ones because I think they make the majority of their money not on stream. I think they make a majority of their money. Queso would be a good one. Oh, I can't lie. Queso, that'd actually be a good one. PBM. Aside from his music money,